happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Hello animal lover, welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm here with the new video collection, especially video, funny animals video collection. I hope this video will make you laugh, and also I hope that this funny animals video will make your day good. So guys, let's start today's video and let's laugh. And before starting this, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel, guys. If you subscribe my channel, I'll be happy to upload more and more like this funny video to entertain you. So guys, I hope you'll support me to grow my channel. Okay guys, now let's start today's video and let's enjoy and let's make our day good. That poor dog, look how he's running. Okay, here is our cat. What he's looking, look. Oh, look. Who is licking so loudly there? It's so curious. Whoa, look at how he's looking, guys. Okay, here is our Mr. Cat. His dog, look there. Look his teeth there. Oh my god, look.
So, Scissor, why is it so hard to accept that the party is over? Girl, you got school in the morning. Get your ass in the car.
Leslie, why is the shower on?
What the shots is there? Look, that pony. He got address up to the breathing. Look, what is happening?
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No.
I love you.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well that's not gonna happen. Anyway.
Look that cat.
Picked on 3 times today. Oh, because of my trousers.
What's wrong with your trousers?
Look at the f***ing size of them.
Look that.
Ain't it
Look,
here?
that is
Yeah.
my boy. Look. What he's doing. Look that cat like a siren. He's making siren sound. Do not use to plate or what this. Look that cat. Oh my god, look that boy.
You're looking for something new. I know somebody that you can choose. What about me?
Look that boy.
What about me?
Cute one.
Squeeze me.
Squeeze me. Look that cat. Okay, morning people versus me. Look that boy. My boyfriend are not jogging. Antarctica. Look that.
Yeah, now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
No, I am because I'm gonna lose.
Look. Okay, I regret asking if he want food.
You want
he got
food?
to accept. Sit.
I would like to see the baby.
Baby, where is baby? Oh, look at baby. So cute. Oh my god, look, so much food there. Hi, boss.
What's going on?
Oh man, it's looking pretty nice.
This
That's a
man,
round
bad
loaf,
boy, what he's
symmetric
doing.
loaf, no front paws,
Okay.
no back paws, no tail.
No
That's a
tail.
10 out of 10 loaf right there. Good boy.
Okay, guys. I hope you are enjoying this video, guys. Okay. Look at what he's dancing there. What is oh my god. How that is coming out. Okay, here is cat. Now let's see what is he's opening fridge. Okay, he's very
Take your nail.
okay.
I got it.
Look that boy. Okay, here come on. Little boy. Okay. What he's doing? What is that? Okay, DJ Cat is here, guys. Okay, here is DJ in the house, guys. Okay. Two brothers. What they are doing? What they are looking, guys?
Oh my
Look
god.
at how
On this episode of I Raised a Kitten in Quarantine and Now I Have a Cat with Separation Anxiety, we are in the shower.
Look that cat. He's bathing there. Okay. Oh my god, look that little boy. He's watching the movie. Oh. He's enjoying movie.
Hey Kevin, how about you come get some milk? It might taste better, buddy.
Oh my god, look that. That baby is drinking
My cat pretends to eat popcorn when I'm eating popcorn.
popcorn. Look that. Okay, let's see. Look, he's also chewing. He's pretending that he's eating popcorn, guys. Okay, look how he's biting. Oh my god.
Excuse me, sir. Just because you're ridiculously cute does not give you the right to sit on our couch.
Okay, then.
Okay, well, that was insanely cute, so I'm just gonna have a good day.
He just left. Hi. Okay, there is our cute boy.
Good morning.
Okay, here
Yeah.
come our cute cat. He's talking. Talking, okay. Oh my god, look at how cute kitten are there. Oh, I love. Oh, he's calling it.
How you feeling, squirrel?
He's calling. Look that it.
When you wake up from a nap and your dog looks at you like this.
Look that hair. Oh my god, how funny.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Oh, look that. Look that. Look that angry boy. Okay, curious dog. Look. Okay. That is our fair boy.
legs. But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan.
Yeah, he have no leg.
Yes, I know that.
Hey, no,
What he's biting? Look that little one. He's biting. He's very.
no,
I think he's hungry.
no.
Look. No. Sit.
Mommy!
Okay.
Ma, Toby's biting.
Oh,
No,
how
Dwayne, get
fast-
out of my bed. Get out. Mom!
Look how fast he ran away, guys. Okay, here is kitten. What he's doing? What he's fooling now? Oh, now he's stuck.
I don't know about y'all hamsters, but I think mine's gay. WTF is he doing?
Hamster is what he's doing. Look what he's doing. Oh my god, he swallowed this whole one. Oh.
Winston?
Excuse me,
What he's biting?
please, we're poor. Please, we have to buy you food. Please.
I'm trying to swallow that money. Okay. Oh my god, look that he brought our baby here. She brought our baby there. Oh my god, that's so cute. So cute, baby. Keep my gummy and someone brought it first. Look, look, he's sleeping there. Okay, here's
Come on.
Okay, here
Come
come
on, I
our
can
big
do that.
boy
Oh,
with
fuck
that
it. Oh,
stick.
shit.
Set. Oh my god, set.
Yeah, that's
He
a horrible
ran
idea.
away. Oh my god, look that.
Good girl, Chubba. You saved her? You saved her?
Okay,
Chubba, you're a hero. Yes, you get belly rubs for being a hero.
okay.
And he's scared of tie-dye, but you know what he's not scared of? He's not scared of food by the
What's
foot.
going on
He
here?
loves food by the
Look
foot.
at you.
He likes
He's
your food by
actually
the
that even, oh, look. So cute.
Growl at your dog.
Okay, growl it. I don't like that. Look that. Oh my god. Okay, here is a little dog. He just sit there. What a funny dog. Okay. She know when is dinner time. Look how this cat is coming to eat. Look. Oh my god.
Like, really, she's only 3 months old. Why is she doing this? Yama, you ain't getting nothing. You ain't getting nothing. There's no boy cats around here. I'm not a cat, by the way. You ain't getting nothing. So stop
Look
it.
that naughty dog, cat.
Stop being a puta.
Okay, oh my god, look at how cute it is.
When will the biscuits be ready?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, look how cute. She want to sleep her friend, look. Oh. Okay, look how big boy. He's stuffing this mess in here. You want to stop that? Okay. Look that boy, what he's doing.
It's too late to go for a walk.
Oh, look.
I'm sorry.
This cat want to go.
Back when Honey was in heat, I think she had a thing for Blake.
Okay. That's funny. Oh my god, look. Okay, here is a cute one. Oh, look that move, guys. Oh, what a nice. Look that dance. This is really beautiful.
Whenever Milo is annoyed with our dog and wants him to go in his crate, he goes and sits in it, which then lures our dog into the crate.
Oh, look. Now what he...
And then Milo quickly exits. Then he stands there to make sure he won't leave. Milo then partially shuts the crate door. Our dog is not the brightest, and he thinks he's stuck even when the door is only partially shut. Then Milo comes over to me
This cat is very smart and dog is
to get
very-
all my love and attention. He doesn't like sharing me with our dog.
That is very poor dog. Okay. What is this? What is eating? For those dogs who cannot stop eating.
Down. Good.
Okay, now hold it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was really good and very funny animals. So I hope you enjoyed this very much. And also, guys, I enjoyed too. So for today, this much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.